bandleni, ekuthule bandleni, ekuthule bandleni. Mfana kaKhaba lo. Welcome to More Zion Music, a platform where we react to music. We always break down our lyrics to try and get the message behind the song. We give positive feedback. We encourage others. We inspire others. We discover churches and choirs. You know, we give positive feedback all the time. Basically, we post non-toxic Zion content. What is up, bro? My earphone now. Just to save myself from drama. What is up, bro? Hey, yes. We are currently sitting on 445. Hey. So, Njonga Putela, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Like my videos. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. And also, make sure to share to other people as well. Yeah, I understand. And also, please do give me a recommendation. I saw a church the other day. Quickly, when I saw the name, I was like, let me Google them. I mean, let me go on YouTube and search for them. Kanti ngizobathola ku our Zion Music. Yabona manje, ekhanyisweni Church of Christ in Zion. Shwele Baba and Inyoka featuring Mamncane. Angazi ubani uMamncane. But I think I saw them on TikTok. And I was like, hey, let me check them out. I've never seen them. I've never even heard about it. So, without wasting you guys' time, let's dive right into it. Thank you, baby girl. Thank you, baby girl. I'm gonna find out guava. I keep saying the damn things, the same thing all the time. Never, ever have expectation. Just listen. Just put on the music and just listen. You see, when it comes to Zion, guys, take it from me as the reactor. Don't have this thing with Anglas Levantale, so I'm not gonna watch this video. You will never know what you're missing out on. Names on the first part, or do you guys hear that? And can you say Mkhanyisweni? Is it Mkhanyisweni? Or Inkanye? Yo! When a Church of Christ in Zion. Can't pronounce your name. You hear that, I keep saying it, bro. I keep saying it. Like, yo, don't have expectation. Just listen. Just click on the video. You will never know. You will never know. Who is? Where is she? Lapha kuhlehlisayo ini. Oh, let me log in. What are they saying? Lava kwehliswayo ini evangeli. Hey, guys. Singitsheleni secret ne. Just because isonto awulazi akusho ukuthi ungalalela. Lalela. You will never know what you're missing out on. Damn. I think lo sis lo ngapha uyu mamncane angazi. But yo. Yes. Abakwehlisayo. Abakwehliswa inyoka. Bro, forget all of that, dog. Forget the lyrics. Nah, ingane lapha yakwa. No, forget all of that. Look at that chat. Okay, but now bakwehliswa inyoka something. That's I'm not getting it, but sure I'll get it. Forget that. I'll get the lyrics. Forget that. Look at this chat. Oop. Where Bluey? Oh, Uzomba. Look at this chat. Bro, at your age, they don't go out. Yeah. Correct. Lava kwehliswa inyoka. Actually abehamba. Wait, are you guys saying lava kwehliswa inyoka akusiyona ehambayo? I'm trying to piece that out. I'm trying to make it make sense. Lava bakwehliswa inyoka. Oh, damn. Oh, ish. What a way of saying people are snakes. Oh my god. No, like for real. Like Like for real. Laba bakhohliswayo inyoka. Akusiyona ehambayo. Bruv. It could mean the snake is the one that stays back and they be the one that spread whatever it is that they are fabricating. Or they are the snake. Because the snake literally cannot move. So essentially saying that a snake could also be a person too. Man, that is a bar. That is that is so scary. Sibona laba abahambayo abalalelayo. Kanjani? Bro, that one ibhekha yalana mfana na no. I think the lady lo wimamncane. Le bhekha lapha nomamncane bro. Must be out of your mind. Listen to the humming, bro. Awu Nkosi yami. Izwa. Bo abalalelanga. Oh, laba ebangalalelanga inyoka. Yibo bayenzani? Yibo abahambayo. Oh, I misheard it. I think I misheard it. So laba angazange balalele inyoka yibo abahambayo. Nah, man, this line by itself just has a lot of meanings, bro. Because not only that, I mean, even people that we is can be snakes, y'all. Mm. The back and the first party, Utwamnyakuza umhlaba. Yeah. Yo. Damn, bro. Go! Out my thought. Out my thought. Hey! 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 Look like the Willie Baseliner is instigating this whole vibe, nah. Hey, this thing should be illegal. It should be illegal for having such vibes as on train. This is illegal. This is wrong. This is wrong. Mina ngiyithini indaba mayiganje? Mina ngizoyithini? There is nothing I could say. I wish I could. There is nothing I'm gonna say. Nothing. Because this is amazing. Oh my god. This is it. Double C is it. Imagine having to explain something like this to someone. Bro, hey yo, I need more videos of this church, man. Did you hear that guy, bro? Did you hear that guy? Listen to this guy. Listen. Listen when he drags you. Ay, bazalwane. Ay. Bazalwane. Ay, cha. Ay. Ay, akukho engakusho mina. Mina akukho engakusho. Engakusho ukuthi ongawazi uZayoni. Usase. Usase. Yena abantu bayacula. Yabona le leader yabo nalo mamncane nebreaker. Yabona i-10 and the-alto, they've been great. But the way the 3 le is playing with my ears right now, it's like not my ears, our ears, because now I need to wait. Na inyoka nkosi yami. And you can't even hear it, bro. You can't even get bored. Like, you lying. Now, I think I was set up. Feeling like this was the setup. This was a setup. There is no way, bro. There is no. Hey, guys, just because you don't know the church, it does not mean don't listen. Just go and click on that video and listen. It might be your next favorite song. Ha. What am I gonna say? At this point, I mean, you kidding me? Yeah, another one. Hey, if you do like the content, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. And please don't forget to give me a recommendation, share to others as well. So, yo, wow, in the favorite of the Jupiter, adios.